everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a demo and review on Lush's new bath bomb called the Love Boat. So I'm not feeling very well today, so I was thinking, you know, I think today is a good day for a bath. And it was a great day for a bath. And I'm gonna be telling you about the bath that I had today. I don't even remember the last time that I did a bath with just one Lush product. Usually I do a bubble bar and a bath bomb. But today I just used the bath bomb because I was like, you know what? We have to save money because Lush keeps raising their effing prices. I actually really like their Valentine's Day collection in general this year. I think it's really nice. So first of all, I wanna say that I really enjoy the design. It stands out. It's a little boat and I love the coloring of it. It's like pastel blue and pink and yellow. I really love the addition of the red hearts on the bottom. I think that's so cute and just makes it even more Valentine's-y day-like. Valentine's-y day-like. This bath bomb is $7.95, which is pretty pricey for one bath. Like when you think about it, I wouldn't say that any bath should be worth that amount of money, but yet I still buy Lush products all the time. In general, this bath bomb really reminds me of the candy little sweethearts you find at Valentine's Day time in like every single store. I love sweethearts and they're very appropriate for Valentine's Day time. I'm not sure if they did that on purpose or what, but I just think it's a sweetheart bath bomb in my mind. So the scent description on the website is powdery sweet lemon orange scent. So if you've never smelled or tasted sweethearts, it is kind of like a powdery, lemony, orange sweet delight. This also has rose oil in it, which I think definitely gives it the sweetness and not as like acidic and like really in your face. It definitely gives it more sweet vibe, which is always nice for Valentine's Day time. So with all that being said, I'm sure most of you guys are here just for the demo, so I'm gonna stop talking and get crack-a-lackin' with the demo. So we're done with the bath. Here we are, we have arrived. Okay, so all in all, I think I'm gonna give this bath bomb an 8 out of 10 stars. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. I love the scent. For me, the scent actually dimmed down a little bit in the bath, which was a negative. I wish that it was a little bit stronger in the bath than it actually was. I also wish there were a little bit more hearts. There weren't that many. This bath bomb was a relatively fast fizzing one compared to, I don't know, a lot of their slower fizzing ones. I thought it was gonna be kind of a purplish color at the end, but it was more like a dusty rose, which was really nice and again really appropriate for this time of year. Anyway, yeah, I would give the bath bomb an 8 out of 10 stars. It was a really nice one and I'd highly recommend it to anybody who enjoys the scent and wants a nice fun new bath bomb to try from Lush. If you guys didn't know, I've been posting on my second channel every week since the beginning of this year, so you should check it out. I just post whatever I want there and it's a fun grand old time. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I post exclusively Lush inspired videos. I will see you guys all very soon and have a great day. Bye.